Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making Tamago Sando, a Japanese egg salad sandwich. Finely chopped hard-boiled eggs are mixed with tangy Japanese mayonnaise and sandwiched with fluffy white Shokupan bread. Tamago Sando is sold at most bakeries, supermarkets, and convenience stores in Japan. It's also been one of the most popular sandwiches among foreign tourists. It's simple but so good. These are the ingredients. If you have a Japanese or Asian bakery nearby, you can get a fluffy white Shokupan bread, or we have a Shokupan recipe if you want to bake the bread at home, or just use the softest white bread you can find. For more information about the ingredients and complete recipe, please visit our website, JapaneseCooking101.com. First, we are going to boil the eggs. Cook eggs in boiling water for 10 minutes. Remove from the water and cool under running water and peel shells. Chop eggs coarsely with a knife and put eggs in a medium bowl. Add the Japanese mayonnaise and mash with a fork. Add salt and pepper to taste and mix. Spread the butter thinly on Shokupan bread. You can skip it if you want to, but butter makes the sandwich taste like the Japanese ones. Put the egg salad on a slice of bread with butter and spread evenly. And cover with another slice and push gently. Cut off the crusts and cut in half diagonally or vertically to make two rectangles like this. Tamago Sando is so easy to make and a very tasty lunch to pack. Try this soon and you will see why it's so popular.
美味しい。美味しいね。